This picture is showing how the soil is very important. Examples of soil management. These are the different types of examples of soil challenges. This is what we call contour farming. Second is terracing. Contour farming is along the natural contours of the land to reduce runoff. Terracing creating on slopes to slow down water flow and increase water infiltration. Third is cover crops. Cover crops, planting cover crops to protect the soil surface and prevent erosion for the plants. Fourth is mulching. Mulching is using organic or inorganic materials to cover the soil surface and reduce water and wind erosion.